Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the theorem 6.8. What you can see here, if a side of a triangle is produced. Okay, in earlier class we have to read about the angle sum property. So you have to remember that. If a side of triangle is produced, let us take a triangle PQR, and a side is produced means we increase that side to that moving side, means QR is produced to S. Okay, that is point S. Then the exterior angle so formed here, an exterior angle is formed, that is PRS. PRS, an exterior angle is formed, which is formed equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle, means this exterior angle is equal to sum of these interior angle which is opposite. Okay, so what is given in that question? A triangle PQR and QR side is produced to S. PRS is an exterior angle, that is PRS is an exterior angle, and what we have to prove here, this angle, what is this? Exterior angle. PRS is equal to sum of RPQ and PQR, means interior opposite angle के sum के equal, that is we are going to prove. So first, you know the angle sum property, angle 1 plus 2 plus 3, the sum of all these three angles is equal to 180. So here we write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, why this is because of angle sum property. Angle sum property, you know very well, in the last class we discuss about it. Okay, and you have to see here, QRS is a straight line. You can write here QRS is a straight line, and RP, you can say PR or RP, is a ray. Okay, you can say it RP because ray are going in one side. RP is a ray. Okay, then what do you know about this? The sum of adjacent angle means angle 3 and angle 4. The sum of adjacent angle is 180. You know very well. So, from this, angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. You can take it as a equation 1 and 180. The reason is, you can say it, what we said, linear pair. Okay, what we said here, linear pair. So you can take it as equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, you can take from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2, what you get here, if right hand side are equal, RHS are equal, so LHS is also equal. So what is LHS? So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to, what is the LHS side of this? Angle 3 plus angle 4. Okay, you understand? If right hand side is equal, that's why the left hand side is also equal. So what we get from here? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to, you can take this angle 3 on the other side. What you get? Angle 4 minus angle 3. Here you can see that plus angle 3 and minus angle 3 is cancel out with each other, and what you get here? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. we got our answer. Here you can see that. What we get? That exterior angle 4 is equal to sum of these. You can see in this figure. What we get? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 4. So angle 4 is equal to, that is exterior angle, is equal to sum of these two interior angle. Okay. So you have to remember these two, angle sum property and linear pair property. Thank you.